Welcome back, everybody. Today we're doing an update on the Strawbale structure. So we've got the roof, we've got the walls done, and let's talk about that for just a little bit. So check it out. Hey everyone, it's looking pretty good. We've got the exterior coat on, so we did the scratch coat, we did a brown coat, and then we did a top coat or a finish coat. And then after that, we put 3 coats of plaster on the walls. So the walls are looking pretty good. This is actually finished. Looks nice. Put in some lights, got the soffits all done. We're pretty much ready to go. Like I said, soffits are all done. We're gonna walk around here. Let's check it out this direction. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, got a window in, which is awesome. Soffit vents, very cool. And the inside is well on its way to being complete. So, got a door, and this is the inside of the Strawbale structure. Fully under construction. It's super bouncy and crazy in here, but we've got lights, we've got a ceiling, and we have the scratch coat on all of these walls. So all of the plugs work, everything is ready to go. We have power, and I was able to make a little that's a cherry bench that I just glued into place, and then I'm gonna just cement it into place with this, with 3 coats of this. So this is the first coat of at least, well, of 3 coats. 3 coats of plaster and sand and straw just to hold it together. And then we're gonna do another 2 to 3 coats of that lime wash after that. And then we'll be pretty much finished with this. So another cool feature that I really enjoy is right here. I made a little piece right here so you can see, oh, all of this, but if I wanna show it off and show you the interior of the structure, that it's still made out of straw bale, I can show you right here, and it's kind of cool. You can't really tell from a depth perspective, but we've got almost an inch of mud already on the walls, and that's going to be even more. We're going to have 2 to 3 inches of mud by the time we're done. Pretty cool. And wow, it was sounding really, really nice, and it had such a good sound profile in there when I had just the straw bale and the insulation on there. It was so dead, it was amazing. Now there's sound bouncing everywhere, especially while it's drying, but we'll get that figured out. But I'm pretty happy with it. I'm pretty happy with the straw bale so far. It's been a really fun project. I've got a couple more months of work to do. I've been working on this thing for 8 months now. Really hard for about 6 months, but I poured the pad 8 months ago. And it's probably going to take about a full year for me to actually complete. It's only 190 square feet on the interior, so pretty small, but I've never done anything like this before. So it's been really, really cool. So that's the update. I think next update will probably be either the finish coat or the flooring or something like that, but we are getting close to being done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.